Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates on the world of electric vehicles. Today we're going to talk about the MG Cyberster, the first electric roadster to hit the UK and European markets. SAIC MG has recently published the first interior photos of the Cyberster in China, showing a slightly toned-down design compared to the concept in earlier pre-production prototypes. The fully electric roadster will make its first UK public outing on July 13th at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, ahead of its local market launch in 2024. The most notable difference in the production-spec interior is the conventional leather-wrapped steering wheel that replaces the fancy yoke, although the latter could be available as an option. There's an array of steering wheel-mounted buttons and 2 aluminum-style paddle shifters. The entire cabin of the 4,535 mm, 178.5 inches, long roadster is covered in red upholstery, with a generous amount of leather and a suede-like material on the heavily bolstered seats. There are also a few elements in aluminum-style trim, including the audio speakers on the scissor doors. MG has yet to announce the detailed specifications of the Cyberster, but documents from China suggest it will be available in 2 different flavors. The base-spec single-motor RWD model will produce 310 GP, 231 kilowatts, 314 PS, while the flagship dual-motor AWD will make 536 GP, 400 kilowatts, 544 PS. As reported by Car News China, battery options are said to include a 64 kWh and a 77 kWh unit, allowing a zero-emission range between 501 to 580 kilometers, 311, 360 miles. The MG Cyberster will be the sole electric roadster offering in the UK European markets, at least until Porsche reveals the EV successor of the 718 Boxster. According to the latest rumors, pricing for the MG will start from around £55k, $70k in the UK, and from as low as Yen 300k, $41k in China, where it will be available later this year. Exciting news for all the electric car enthusiasts out there. The MG Cyberster is set to make its first UK public outing on July 13th at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. This is a great opportunity to see the electric roadster up close and personal before its official launch in 2024. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the world of electric vehicles. Thank you for watching.